Gorilla Glue. I like this glue. It's a glue that expands into a hard foam. It can be used in practically anywhere. It's good to provide support with it for certain places. I have used it here to keep this rack stuck onto the wall. It's not the most cleanest thing you can use. The most neat thing you can use. It's kind of looks a bit messy, but it works. It has very functional purposes. As you can see, it keeps my rack solidly attached to the wall here and the cabinet. You can see it, so it expands and creates support for whatever you're sticking on it. So solid support. You can cover the glue for appearance purposes. You can cover it with decorative tape like this here. I have done here. This has a different purpose than super glue, but like I say, you can use it as a support, not just attaching things to other things. Here I got it as because these shelves were falling down from the weight. I put this Gorilla Glue and expanded and provided the solid support for these shelves. It has lots of functional purposes. Again, it's not the prettiest. That's the only downside to this glue. But life isn't perfect. It's filled with flaws, and you'll have to sometimes take one or the other. Functional over appearance. Here I have stuck Velcro foam. I stuck Velcro with it, and it worked very well.